Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Bobbi. Hi, how are you? Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I really do appreciate it. Do me another favor, pretty please, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the post bell notification so that you can be notified every time that I upload. So you guys are coming in on the very last color in my monochromatic series, which is purple. If you couldn't tell already, I mean, the color is kind of askew because I have a purple or a pink shirt on, so it might pull a little bit purple, but you know what, we're gonna work with it and cover it up with hair. Lord knows I got enough of it. Okay, but if you're ready to see how I got this monochromatic purple look with a double winged liner, then go ahead and keep watching. Hi guys, today we are going to do this eye right here, and I'm kind of zoomed out so you guys can see like my whole face. I'm gonna film me doing my whole face, but I am going to just speed through it because, you know, who needs to see that anyways? Okay, and today we're going to be working in the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to be working with basically this purpley corner down here in the corner. But I'm going to take Certified, which is this like basically a true white, yeah. And I'm just going to dust this all over the upper half of my eyelids because we need that portion to look extremely blended. So I need it to be a little less tacky. And I'm not taking very much, just enough to where I can feel it's not tacky. I'm very much a feeling kind of person. Like, oh, if that doesn't feel right, you know, let's not do that. Let's not do that. And I'm going to take this little brush. It's a blending brush, and I'm gonna take a little bit of Lolly Mama, which is this shade right here, this pink shade, and then I'm going to take a whole lot of this shade called Therapy Sesh right here, and it's kind of like a bright very neon kind of purple. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that and just work it into my crease. And this whole, like this shade, the Therapy Sesh and Lolly Mama, I'm gonna go ahead and bring it all the way down. Like this is going to be all over my lid, not dragging it too far into my inner corner, but making sure my edges, my upper edges of this shade is very buffed out. And then if it's not buffed out, I do have another brush right here that I'm going to take Certified on and, you know, get it more blended like this one. So the way I do like a cute little outer corner to lighter inner corner kind of moment, like a typical cut crease or cat eye, if you will, the way I do it is I normally look at my lower lash line right here and I bring it up just a little bit, and then fill in that negative space that's right there. Okay, and this brush has a little bit of Certified on it, and I'm just gonna go into that and just kind of try and help with the blendation. Okay, now I'm gonna take this shade Not My Journey right here, and I'm gonna take a good amount of Not My Journey, and this is gonna be on the outer corner. And I'm gonna start off kind of slow so that I can build up the intensity and have it blended out really, really well. So I've find that that's my best bet as far as getting a really well blended look, is starting off with not that much and building. Her purples, I'm giving a little bit of leniency, but her purples are kind of patchy, to be honest. Or not her purples, because you know there's no shards of anything in there, so they're not hers. But this what you call it, Morphe's purples are a little patchy. Okay, I didn't put any additional product on this, but I am just using it to blend. So now that I have that deeper purple, the Not My Journey shade, deepened up the outer corner, I am going to take the Colorpop shade in the shade of Ripple, which is this, and it is so pretty. It's purple in the pan, right? Like that, but it shows up like this. So it's very translucent, very iridescent. So basically I'm going to just tap this on my inner half of my eyelid right here. And then I am going to, on a little detailer brush, I'm going to take the shade Certified again. And I'm going to take Certified on my inner corner, sweeping it a little bit into the inner third, just a little. So first I'm going to take the NYX Vivid Brights and liquid eyeliner in the shade Vivid Violet, and I'm going to do just a little baby wing really quickly. And when I say baby wing, I mean a baby wing. So that's thoroughly unimpressive, right? Like, I mean, it's cute, but it's unimpressive, at least with all the other purples that are going on. But from the brand Colorstory, I have the Luminous Brights liquid eyeliner, and it is like a pastel purple, so it dries down to this shade right here. So I'm gonna basically outline the NYX eyeliner with this eyeliner. So, and these are kind of not good. I have a whole pack of them. My wonderful mother-in-law gave them to me, and it was a good intention. I'm gonna take this time to remind you guys, like always, always, always anchor your hand. If you need a steady hand, anchor it. Like how I'm sticking my pinky on my hand so that my hand can be more steady. Always I'm sticking it on here when I'm doing a wing. That helps any wing immensely, whether you're doing a foxy eye, whether you're doing just a regular wing for work or something, or a double liner wing like this one. It helps immensely. It also helps if you don't talk while you're doing it. But so there is that portion, and I think that that makes it like so cute. But we're gonna take the inspiration for my monochromatic series, and it's the LA Girl Shockwave eyeliner, and this is the shade Vivid, and I'm going to just line my waterline with. so now is the portion in which I'm going to stop and do the rest of my face, because you guys never see my whole face routine. So I'm going to speed up through it, but definitely go ahead and do it on camera for you guys so that you can see my whole face routine. Okay, now I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit so that you can actually see like what my eye actually looks like. Okay, so here's my eye. I'm going to take that little blender brush and take the shade Therapy Sesh again, and I'm gonna put Therapy Sesh on my lower lash line here in just a second. I'm going to take a very little brush and I'm going to use the shade I'm in it. I'm just going to take a brush, and this is actually meant for eyeliner, but you know, it is what it is. And I'm going to take the shade I'm in it and I'm putting it in here. Okay, so this is my finished eye. If you want to put lower lash mascara, you can. I don't want to do that. And I'm not really sure if you guys have noticed, but in my last few looks, I haven't done lower lash mask. Okay, so I'm gonna do a ombre lip. So I have the NYX eye lip pencil in the shade Prune. So let me line my lips with this. Okay, so after I take the shade Prune, I'm going to take the purple Shockwave lip line eyeliner, and I'm just gonna use it on the center of my lips. I'm gonna be real honest, guys. This is not coming out the way in which I had intended for it to go. So let's go through our creative processes, okay? Let's maybe strengthen. You know, we'll see what's going on here. Okay. The second layer is definitely going on less patchy. I'm gonna take this lip brush that I have. Let's see if I can, oh no, that's doing nothing but taking it off. Oh shit. Okay, okay guys, hands down, time's up. This is dry. Let me just say that. So guys, this is my finished look. Shout outs today are going to be for Framework Photography, DP, and also for pink rose tree. So thank you guys so much for commenting on my last video and subscribing and watching my content. I really do appreciate everybody who subscribes and watches my content, really from the bottom of my heart, guys. Thank you so much. So this was my purple monochromatic look, and it was the last one of the series, guys, and I do have another video lined up for you guys in a few days. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.